Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by adding your Google account directly to the iPhone. Open Settings, go to Mail or Passwords and Accounts, choose Add Account, then Google. Enter your email and password, complete any two-factor prompts, and make sure Calendars is toggled on. Once done, you've enabled the device-level link that allows iPhone Calendar to read and write events to Google. This is the only supported path for full, two-way sync, so make sure you enable Calendars now to proceed. Next, open the Calendar app to control which Google Calendars appear. Tap Calendars at the bottom, expand your Google account, and check the specific calendars you want visible. Make sure sync range is acceptable. Older events may be excluded if set to a short window. Then, set your default calendar in Settings right arrow Calendar right arrow Default Calendar so new events go to Google by default. Once configured, events created on either side will use the same account and sync more predictably. Finally, verify sync by pulling down in the Calendar app to force a refresh and waiting a minute. If events don't appear, check that the same calendar shows on Calendar. Google.com, that tells you if the issue is iPhone side. If needed, remove the Google account from settings and re-add it, ensuring Calendars is re-enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: always confirm network connectivity and that Google storage or account restrictions aren't blocking calendar rights before deeper steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.